Frustrated with the Xaudio2 1 DLL crash ruining your 3D rendering? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll ensure your hardware and engine are communicating perfectly. As we prepare to resolve Xaudio2 1, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This DLL file is a versioned update to the Xaudio2 library. It provides applications with improved audio mixing capabilities and more stable communication with sound card drivers for early DirectX 10 titles. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The Xaudio2 1 DLL is commonly included with older game runtimes. Install the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore DirectX-based components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is tied to OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to re-sync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Xaudio2 1 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for the Xaudio2 1 DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. A recommended diagnostic path for the Xaudio2 1 management is outlined in the software resource linked below. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for the Xaudio2 1, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.